Hello and welcome back to Taboretum channel. What you're seeing here is a POV from my drawer in bathroom. This is a bathroom sink up there, and underneath there is a P-trap. And in this case, as you can see, the P-trap is getting into the drawer, occupies space, touches the container you can see here, and is a pain in the ass. This is the only printed part here, hanger, and we are gonna use a different shaped P-trap. Because we need some kind of a P-trap, obviously. And this one actually has the water trap at the back, right? So we can move it and save some space. My son was tasked to replace it, and he's obviously very smart young man. And he believes he can open them thing without scissors. He is stubborn, and yeah, this is the ultimate solution he's not gonna use. And yeah, he finally opened it, and here are bits and pieces. Putting everything together, some pipes, and now we disassemble the old stuff. You need to use something below because there is some water in the trap, obviously, and you can see it's probably a very disgusting water, so my son is super careful with that. Yeah, detach it from the sink with this nut, and we'll be reattaching the new one. As you can see, when we attach this first corner, we can move this thing around and find a position where it sits as close to the wall as possible. And there's even the ability to extend it, retract as needed. And you can see we can move it around and find a way. Now we need to connect it to the plumbing in the wall, and we'll use this 90-degree piece. And yeah, it looks nice and sturdy. Let's do some water tests. Drain the full sink of water at once so we can get some pressure and high flow. And yeah, it works. So let's do another POV video from the drawer perspective. And yeah, you see, a lot of space saved, plus we actually could have the drawer without this cutout at the back, but the guy who was installing it ages ago thought it's a great idea to just cut the drawer and have the P-trap in the middle of it. And this is not a product placement, but it just shows how much space we've actually saved, because exactly in this spot the old P-trap was here. Yeah, so thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.